Hello, in this video I'll discuss a common scenario. I have opened a PowerShell, right, and I have created a framework, Playwright TypeScript with agentic AI. I'll share the link with you. So I'll share a problem with you. Let's say I run a command here. So if you see that I have done a mistake, generally how we run a Playwright test is we run the command npx test, right? But so if you see there is an error that has come, so what I can do is, probably what people do is they copy this, right, and then they open something like ChatGPT or any AI tool, right? Let me do the same. If I will go there and I'll paste there, and then I get that what is the problem, right? So it says that this error is because named but no such test, no such executable exists, right? So it is telling that this does not exist, right? And it is telling me various commands. So this is one of the command it said to run it. Let's say now I run it, and let's see if it is able to give, right? So now if you see, some test got ran, and in between also some error came. So again I will maybe copy paste this, and let's copy paste this and then again paste it in ChatGPT or similar tool, and it might tell me that what is the problem. So it is recommending me that I should run this command. So if you see, there is a lot of time waste that is happening, that I'm running a command, I'm getting some error, I'm coming here, and then I go back, right? So what if this happens inside this, right? So that's what we are going to discuss in this video, right? So Microsoft has introduced something called as intelligent terminal, right? Earlier your intelligence was there in the browser, right? When you open Claude.ai or ChatGPT or Perplexity or Cursor or so many tools that so many companies have created, right? But the problem was your terminal was not yet intelligent. So this is recently created, right, on 1st May. So I'll tell you all of this, show you a demo that how we can use it, what it is, how is it different than the normal terminal, what things are common, what things are not common, and we'll see a practical demo as well. So if you are coming first time to my channel, please do subscribe, and you can click on this link and join the WhatsApp channel also to get the uh, updates very fast. I have created a course also. You can try out these course. Some are free and some are paid as well. I share a coupon code also for this. Right, coming back to the topic. So how you can install this intelligent terminal? There are two ways. First thing is this place, Microsoft GitHub repo intelligent terminal, and there is a command given here. This I'll paste it in the video description, or you can install it from the Microsoft store as well. So it's official, right? It's not that something you are downloading it from here and there. So you can download this, and then once you download it, your terminal would appear something like this. You'll ask, Gaurav, what is the difference? So I'll show you the difference. The difference is this symbol. You will see this symbol once you are done with the installation, right? Since I have already installed it, I have not shown you the installation, but still, if you want to see that I should show you the installation, I can copy this command and you can paste it in your terminal, right? Then it will start installing it, right? It says to me that it is already installed, right? I can upgrade it. So for you it will install it, and once you install it, I will close this. I'll just copy this path so that I can show you the same commands in my intelligent terminal. So intelligent terminal I have opened. This one is an intelligent terminal because you see in the top left, in the bottom left, there is this symbol, right, by clicking on which there is something that is opening, and on the right side also there is a pane which is opening, right, toggle pane. So first of all it will ask you to sign in, so you can use this with the help of your up and down keys. So I'll press enter. It is asking me to sign in into GitHub, right? You can even use Claude if you have Claude, right? So you can copy and paste it. Once you paste it, it will ask you that you want to authorize it, right? By this way it will get to know that which GitHub Copilot plan you have, right? If you do it for Claude, similar things might happen, right? So we'll try the same commands which we tried earlier. So what I will do is I will go into that path where my Playwright framework was there, right? Let's go into this path, and meanwhile it is loading in the downside, right? So always remember that this works only in Windows PowerShell, right? Not in your normal command prompt. So now you see it has told me welcome to intelligent terminal. So I can close it by clicking on this button, right? This is a PowerShell. Always remember that you have to open this in PowerShell. If you will open this same thing in the command prompt, right, it might not work, right? So better open it always in the PowerShell. You can just click on this plus button and you will see that Windows PowerShell option comes. Right, now we'll run the same command that we ran earlier. What was the command? Let me show you back. We ran this command and this error came and we went to ChatGPT. Right, now I'll give the same command. Please notice below the panel. Right, so here you will notice that it has come error detected analyzing. Right, so it is analyzing the error, if you see here. So that means there was some problem and it has already started working on it. We need not to go to ChatGPT or any Google or any other tool to check it out what has happened, right? So if you see, I click on this and it has told that that it tried to run it, right? And it is giving you a command like this, npx playwright test, right? So what I can do is I can copy this command and let's run the next command. So you remember that next time also some error came, right? So now it is analyzing again that if there is any error in the command whatever we ran, it will give you the fix as well, right? So if you see here now in the below portion, if you are noticing here, see here, this npx playwright install, when we were checking that in the ChatGPT, right, we had to paste this and then it gave us the same command, right? When I ran the second one, it gave us this command which we are getting it directly and you don't even have to type that as well, right? So it has selected this run command option. You can simply move your cursor and say insert in terminal and you can run it like this, right? So this way it is very easy to do that. If you see now it has started downloading. Even I have not typed this, I have selected from this. Once you click on this, it will go away. On the right side you will see that whatever questions you have asked previously would be coming over here, right? You can move to different sessions as well, right? The option that I clicked was this, which is here. One option is here and one option is here. And other thing you have to remember is that you have to use PowerShell to use this, right? And let's quickly revise that what we have done today, right? So we installed this. So intelligent terminal is nothing but the almost the same thing. It's just that it is aware about your context, right? Whatever is there in the terminal, it know about it, right? And it is the same thing. It has been forked from the Windows terminal. So whatever is there in Windows terminal will be there. I think once this is stable and then this experimental will become the part of it, right? The normal terminal, and it works with any of the CLI tools that you have. And because it knows already whatever is there, right? So it will save our time. So there is one example which is given on their official website as well, where they ran .NET build command and there were some errors and it suggested the fix that how things should be there. I have taken an example of TypeScript for you, right? So hope you liked it, right? So we avoided these things, right? When there is a command fail, we copy it, we paste it somewhere. Instead of that, your intelligent terminal understands all of this, right? There are some shortcuts that have been given that you can also know by you can click on this, and there are, for example, forward slash. If you give, there is this help coming, clear coming. I can do clear, right? So that will do the clear. I can click on help, then you will see that what all various commands that are available. And to open this, the shortcut is, I think, Ctrl+Shift and dot. If I press Ctrl+Shift dot, this terminal will appear or will go away, right? I can check that which model I'm using, right? If you want to change the model, you can change it by clicking this model, right? So all of these things are coming. Give it a try. I think it is very useful. I have started using this one. And one last and very important tip I'll give you is that we don't try so many things. So if you click on the settings here, you can change some of the stuff here, that what is the default profile. Like for example, I have set it as intelligent terminal, so whenever my terminal opens, this by default that intelligent one opens. So you can change these settings, and there would be some settings which are specific to this agent pane, right? So you can select that how it should appear, what should be the icon, right? All of these things can be changed. And there is an option called as automatic checking, this one, automatic error detection, right? So I would suggest you, if you are not seeing this, you can switch it on, right? By default it selects this agent, but all of these things can be customized by coming to these settings. And there are some other settings also. You can explore all of this. You will find some very good settings that are there, right? So one common problem that people face is that when they copy, it does not get copy properly, right? You must have noticed while terminal, the control C sometimes does not work properly. So to avoid that, there are some options here, that selecting a text, copy it. Let me search for the word copy here, copy text. Yeah, so this is a very important under interaction which helped me a lot. So I selected this. Sorry for this. Yeah, so I selected this setting, automatically copy selection to keyboard, right? So this is super useful that I don't have to press Ctrl C. So you can go through all the other settings. Hope you liked it and you learned something new. Thank you so much.